Okay guys, so we should have the Dash 8 Amtrak here any moment. He just cleared Weaverton. He obviously won't be coming on the far track for me because there's an auto rack stopped. This is an active yard, so that makes sense. And yeah. They lifted COVID restrictions for Amtrak, so now it runs daily. They still have some, obviously, for, you know, safety, but they don't have a minimum and maximum of, you know, how many trains per week. I'll pause for now, and when it's here, you'll know. So we usually find out by the time it's... We've kind of timed it out, so when we know it's like, for Amtrak in Martinsburg, it's like, I don't know, like a half hour from here.
Right.
And different part, I think Mount Airy, so when we hear something clear Point of Rocks, it's about an hour.